Hello viewers and welcome back to the channel. So this time we went to some waterfalls during a road trip that we went as a family. First, we went to the Stanley Gill waterfall. So we didn't look at the sign as it said warning 150-inch drop. But we went on anyway through the fence. We just to take a quick look at it, and we saw that the cliff was really deep. So we just came out. We then looked at this mesmerizing view which was fenced, so we could look down and see what the waterfall had on the floor. Next, we went to the Stock Hill Falls waterfall. It was just as beautiful as the first one, but we had to walk a long distance away. We even saw some cute lambs and their parents on the way. After looking at the cute lambs, we then ventured through the hills just to see the magnificent waterfall. It was a majestic sight as the water flowed through the stream. After visiting the two waterfalls, we then visited a nearby beach just to see another magnificent view. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.